Hey guys, coming at you with a video on triangles. Okay, so this is another one of our highly requested videos, and I always want to remind you as I'm doing these that one, there is an app, WhipSmart app on the iOS store, over 1,200 questions, detailed feedback, kind of engaging user experience, free to install. Check it out. Second thing is you're getting ready, whipsmart.com, our website. There's a 20 question little self-exam, so you take it and we'll email you the results back real quick in terms of what you look strong at, what you look weak at, so you know like which areas to focus on the most as you're getting ready for this thing. Okay, so we got 5 different little questions here on triangles. Okay, so the first thing we need to know, so this one says a triangle has interior angles of 40, 80, and x degrees. Find x. Okay, so when we're get something like that, we need to know we have 40 plus 80 plus x equals 180. Okay, when you're adding up angles in a triangle, they always have to add up to 180. So that's just something you have to know. Okay, that will show up on the test for sure. You have to know that all angles add up to 180 in a triangle. Okay, so 40 plus 80 is 120. Okay, so then we just have 180 minus 120 equals 60. And that would be our answer, x equals 60. Okay, pretty easy. Just gotta know they add up to 180. Add them up. Okay, area of a triangle. Okay, another one that you have to know. Area of triangle equals 1/2 base times height. Okay, so as we look at this one, they say base is 12, height is 8. Plug it in and let's do the math, right? 1/2 12 times 8. Okay, 12 times 8 is 96. Half of 96 is 48. That's the whole thing, right? Area. Now sometimes they might give you some other numbers, don't pay any attention to them. If they're asking for area of a triangle, all you care about is the base and the height, right? So they might say like, find the area of a triangle with base 12, height 8, and then the two sides are 5 and 7. And then that confuses you, right? Forget about 5 and 7. They don't mean anything for this question. Right, all we care about is base and height. Plug it into that formula, and we're done. All right. So that was area. Then perimeter. We added up the degrees, and we have area. Okay. And then we have Pythagorean theorem. Okay. So Pythagorean theorem is we need to know a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, so we're going to go through how to do a couple of these. The big thing is that this is only for a right triangle, right? With a right triangle, you'll see that, right? That little box over there, that signifies a right triangle, right? So this rule only is for right triangles. It's very unlikely that they try to trick you and ask you to, find, this is called the hypotenuse, right here, this little thing. Right, and that's hypotenuse is c squared. Okay, so don't worry about why it's called that. Okay, so we say one leg of a right triangle is 4 and the other is 6. 4, 6, and then they want you to find the hypotenuse or c. Right, and then we're just plugging that in. Like essentially, this is A, that's B, that's C. Okay, so then we have 4 squared plus 6 squared equals, we don't know, c squared, this thing right here, right? Okay, and then we're just going to add these up. Okay, 4 squared, 4 times 4, 16, plus 6 squared, 6 times 6, 36, equals c squared. Okay, 36 plus 16 is 52, equals c squared, and then we got to get rid of that square, right? And so to do that, we will square root it, like that. And same to the other side, right? What does the square root of 52 equal? I don't know, right? As far as I'm concerned, and as far as your exam is concerned, It equals the square root of 52. And that's your answer. C equals the square root of 52. Now, if it ended up where C equaled a perfect square, like the square root of 49, square root of 49 is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. And then the answer would be 7, not the square root of 49. That's what they would look for. But either is correct. Just that you're not going to be given the answer choice square root of 49. You will be given the answer choice of 7. But in this case, it was square root of 52. Okay, so we got to know how to do these. So let's do another one. We have some other examples of doing this in our other video, and I will include the link to that in our description box if you want to watch more examples. But we got 2 more here. Okay, it's the same question, right? They say 2 sides are 6 and 9, and then find what is the hypotenuse. Okay, same thing. 6 squared plus 9 squared equals c squared, right? 36, 9 squared is 81, equals c squared, right? And then that equals 117 equals c squared, right? And then we're gonna square root both sides, and then the answer will be square root of 117. So another weird number that we can't do anything with, and that will be our answer, square root of 117. One final one. Okay, so what if I did something like this? Okay, so what if like they didn't give us b? What if they did something like that? Right? One side is 9, the hypotenuse is 15, what is the other side? Okay, so you're still going to plug in the same stuff, right? That's A, we don't know B, now we do know C this time. Okay, 9 squared plus B squared equals 15 squared. Okay, and so do the same thing, 9 squared, 9 times 9, 81. B squared, we don't know what that is yet. 15 squared is 225. Okay, and we'll subtract 81 from both sides. B squared equals 144. And as we square root, so this one will work out. B equals 12, right? 12 times 12 is 144. Square root of 144 equals 12.